Once again, you are welcome to our class today. Now that the holiday have started, hope you are enjoying the holiday. It has been a wonderful time taking care of these lovely children that God has given to us. We want to thank God for their lives. Now, last week, for some of us that are following, we talked about summer holiday, and today we are concluding our summer holiday part 2. Summer holiday. Why do we need this summer holiday? And the skills that I said we are going to be acquiring during this holiday, why do we need them? But first of all, I want us to know that during this summer holiday, the reason why, I'm going to give us 5 reasons why we need the skills. Then I'll give us skills that our children can engage in this summer holiday. Number 1 reason why they need a skill during this holiday is that skills build resilience in children. When children acquire skill, when they are put into position of acquiring a skill, it builds their resilience, especially when they resume back to school, academic resilience. Number 2, it makes them to be able to solve problems. It builds their inbuilt ability. It triggers it to solve problems, because there is no way you acquire a skill and you not have reasons to solve a problem. Number 3, it increases their creativity. When a child involves in skill, it makes the child to have, it increases the rate at which that child is creative, because skill bring out the creativity that you have. Number 4, it makes us to be able to solve problem. It makes us to be positive. It makes us to be positive. And the last one is that it builds our curiosity to learn. It enhances our curiosity for learning. Now let's go straight to what are the beautiful skills that we can learn in this summer holiday. For our age 3 to 5, I told us that we have to do it together. So I just have few skills for them to learn. One of the skills is painting. Let them go through painting. You can organize it, or as a church or as an organization, you can organize it for these little toddlers, for those that are just coming up between the age 3 to 5. Swimming, you can organize football for them. You can organize cake baking for them, for those little ones, with your strict supervision. Then you can also organize art and craft for them in their own little way. But for age 8 to 15, I have so many things you can learn here. One of them is you can go for robotic and coding. You can go for event planner. You can go for interior and exterior decorations. You can go for baking and decoration of cake. You can go for fashion and designing. You can also go for musical training. For our age 3 to 5 too, they can go for musical training, but the little part of musical training. But for age 8 to 15, can go for instrumental training, musical training. You can learn piano, you can learn guitar, you can learn all drum sets, how to play them during this holiday. You can learn soap making. You can learn repairing of our rechargeable lights. You can learn it. Then you can learn how to repair our phones, how to repair mommy. Instead of destroying the phone, you can learn it. You can go out and learn it. Now you can learn greeting cards, how to make greeting cards during this holiday. Beautiful greeting cards. You can learn it. You can learn soap making, how to make soap, how to make jig, how to make all other things that we need at home. You can learn it. You can also learn swimming. You can learn painting, how to paint the wall, how to paint things. You can learn it during this holiday. If you have passion for football, this is a big opportunity for you to to enhance that football activity during this holiday. And for our children too, if they are age 18, they can also learn driving. You can put them into driving school for this thing. You can learn you can plant a flower for this summer holiday. These are the things we can do for our summer holiday. Now, how do I bring my children to learn these things? You can learn it in all these small shops around us. You can organize it as a church to come together as a group of parents. What do we want our children to learn You can organize it for this summer. Just make sure that you engage them in doing so in an organized way. You can go for all this. You can invite people, or you can take your children to a trustworthy apprentice to learn from them. All these our entrepreneurship around us. Can take your children there to learn. Now, don't forget I told us that they need to rest. You can start from 10 to 2. Then don't let the time frame to be like the normal school setting. Let it be a short time. Let them come back home. Let them enjoy watching televisions. Let them enjoy watching good programs. Let them rest. Take them out too. Don't forget, out of all these kids you are acquiring to, let's take them out. Let them go out to watch movie. Children, please make sure you watch a movie in a cinema setting during this holiday. Take them out to eat. Let's have dinner outside our house. Let's have lunch outside our house for this holiday, so that we can have time together as parents with our children. This summer holiday is going to be interesting. It's a fun-filled holiday, and I want you to enjoy it as much as you can. Don't make it a boring one for these children, because it is a summer holiday. God bless you. See you next week for another wonderful and beautiful topic. And for those of us that are helping me to share this video, God bless you. I appreciate you. See you some other time. God bless you. Bye.